This is my Dollar Tree haul. I went to Six Flags today, and on the way back, I noticed there was a Dollar Tree, so I ran in real quick to see if there was anything good. So check out these are rocks. These are plastic rocks that you hide a can. A stone key hider. These are pretty cool. I actually paid like 20 bucks for one last year, so I was like $1. That's awesome. I didn't really need ones personally for the house, but these are great for geocaching. If you're into geocaching, these are like perfect little hides for geocaching. I'm not going to get into geocaching right now, but if you're interested, Google the term geocaching and you'll see why I got these. I got these little trays for like some craft projects. Again, one tray is like $2 at Michael's, so 6 for $1. That is awesome. I got some tape. Always need tape. I got 2 Care Bear coloring books. They had different covers. I got the lip gloss. These were the only 2 I had. I would have bought them all because for friends, but these are awesome. I got these little squishies. They have all kinds of different ones, so I kind of just got one of each that I saw. They have macaroons, little cutie faces, cookies, donuts. Did I get a donut? Yeah, there's a donut. So my nieces like squishies, so these are always a cute present for kids. Let's see, and then I got this notebook, no problema, pineapple notebook, cactus notebook, purple. I really like these notebooks. These are so cool, and they're lined. I like that they're lined. I got these stickers, just different. This is Disney Zoom Zooms. These are little monsters and little owls. I thought those were cute. I got this for me, everyone. I know everyone probably already has these, but we were grilling out the other day, and I couldn't find my corn holders, so I got some new ones. And then I just got some toothpaste. I don't know. I like Crest. I definitely think this is smaller than a regular tube of toothpaste, but for $1, no problem. And then just some generic body wash. I got some more notebooks. I know, I love notebooks. And this one's my favorite, flamingos to do. That is so cute. And then Dream Big. So yeah, I really like those. And then I know you guys are gonna be like, you're crazy. I got 8 boxes of this Suddenly salad. I love Suddenly salad, and my husband hates it. So this is half the size of a normal box that you buy at the grocery store, and they average like $2 a box. Of course, this was $1. So anyway, my husband hates it. Whenever I make it, I end up throwing half away because I'm the only one who eats it. So when I saw these half-size boxes, I thought it was absolutely perfect. Since I'm the only one who eats it, this is probably like a 1 portion size or 2 people. But I mean, not that I eat enough like for 2 portions, you know what I'm saying? Because I love this stuff. I could just eat this for lunch and that's it. If you're not familiar with Suddenly salad, it's just dried pasta with a little spice packet. I remember I was in college when these came out, like 10, 15 years ago or whatever, and I just thought it was the coolest thing ever. Ranch and bacon is my favorite, so it's just, for me, I thought it was hilarious because I am obsessed with Suddenly salad, ranch and bacon, and these boxes are adorable. So let me show you. I actually, of course, since I love it so much, I have a normal size in my pantry. So here's a normal size that I bought at a regular grocery store, and then here is the Dollar Tree size. So you can see that it's half the size, and I already double checked. It's like almost the ounces in half, so it's like exactly half of what is in here. So value wise, it's not like huge, it's not a savings, but if you don't like being wasteful, this is perfect since I'm the only one who eats that. So and everything all together, I ended up like spending what did I end up spending? I got a lot. I ended up spending $44. My sales tax is kind of high around here. So, this is like my 5th Dollar Tree that I've been to, and the others, I just never picked anything up because I didn't see anything good. So I'm definitely going to have to go to this Dollar Tree again. I was very happy with it, and might actually go back and pick up some more of this for geocaching. I'm just amazed $1 for this. So, yeah, Google geocaching, and you'll see why I think this is an awesome deal for these. And anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.